mud volcano. It's gonna erupt. What? Guess I don't have enough water.
No.
It's going. It's erupting. Yeah. Erupting now. Okay, I'll be back.